The Solplayer crypto card enables real-world spending by allowing users to pay with Solana and other tokens anywhere traditional cards are accepted. With instant crypto to fiat conversion, it enables seamless transactions at checkout. No manual swapping or delays. What stands out most is its deep integration with Solplayer Wallet, meaning you stay in control of your assets while enjoying fast, secure payments and potential crypto cashback rewards. Is a practical step toward living fully on crypto.